Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 3. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 3. Let's see our today's topic. So look, it is EFT, English for Today, Unit 2 and 9, Reading plus Classwork or CW. I am telling again our today's topic, EFT, Unit 2 and 9, Reading plus CW. Dear learners, this is our lecture number 2. In this connections, I open up my students of class 3. I request all of my students of class 3 to open your English for Today book. So this book, at first, Unit 2, page number 4. Page number 4. I hope that all of you have got your book and opened it. Page number 4. Now look at both. Unit 2, the title is Introducing a Teacher. I am telling again, Unit 2 title is Introducing a Teacher. Let's see. This is Mahabub Alam. He is 30 years old. He is an English teacher. He works in a primary school in Norail. This is his information. Okay. Now with this information, we will fill in the table. Look here, complete the table with Mahabub's information. Okay, name. Okay, look here, it is Mahabub Alam. Then age 30. Job, an English teacher. Workplace, in a primary school in Norail. So look here, name Mahabub Alam. So look here, name Mahabub Alam. I have written, I have taken the information from the text. Age 30. So look here, job, an English teacher, Workplace, in a primary school in Norail. That means B number activity or exercise is done. Now C number, pair works. Asked and answered the questions. Look at the information in activity A. This one. Now dear learners, look here. Number 1, what is the person's name? Look, what is the person's name? So look little bit below. I have given the answer. What is the person's name? Answer, the person's name is Mahabub Alam. You have already known as you have read the text. Answer, the person's name is Mahabub Alam. Now questions number 2, how old is he? How old is he? Answer, he is 30 years old. Look, answer, he is 30 years old. Questions number 3, what does he do? Answer, he is an English teacher. I am telling again, what does he do? In the answer of this question is, he is an English teacher. Now 4th number questions, where does he work? Where does he work? 4th number answer, he works in a primary school in Norail. He works in a primary school in Norail. Dear learners, now we will go to our next, it is Unit 9. Okay, he works in a primary school in Norail. This session has been done. Now we will go to next page, it is Unit 9. And page number 18. Page number 18 I have written, or it is seen following our board. Page number 18. So look here. Unit 9, commands and instruction outside the classrooms. Commands and instructions outside the classroom. Dear learners, look here. Unit 9, listen and say. At first, stand in a line. Here Miss is telling, or their madam is telling them, stand in a line. Number 2 picture, please don't talk. Look at the picture. Number 3, listen to national anthem. National anthem, our national anthem, look here. And last one is sing the song. There are 4 pictures we have seen, and these all are the instruction given by the teacher. Stand in a line, please don't talk, listen to the national anthem, sing a song. Now dear learners, look here in B number activity. Read the sentences, put them in order from 1 to 4. So look here. Here, this one, sing the song. Sing the song. Number 1 is sing the song. This one is 4 number. Sing the song, 4th number. So sing the song, 4th number. This one is 4. Now stand in a line. Look here. Stand in a line. Number 1. I have written here also 1. Now 3 number. Listen to the national anthem. Number 3. This one is number 3. I have written here 3. Please don't talk. So look here. This one is number 2. Please don't talk. Now we have learned activity B. Sing the song. Number 4th. Stand in a line. Number 1. Listen to national anthem. Number 3. Last one is please don't talk. This is number 2. Now we will go to our next page. One segment is left. So look here. Page number 19. Put your bag down. Then change your clothes. Help me in the kitchen. Wash this egg, please. These are the instructions instructed by her mother. So I am telling again, put your bag down. Change your clothes. Help me in the kitchen. Wash these eggs, please. Now look here. Read and act. Take a shower. Get out of bed. Clean the board. Sing the national anthem. Put on your uniform. Write on the boards. Dear learners, look here. Here 6 sentences are given. Okay, these all are the commands and instructions and requests also. So in C number, look, group works. Which sentences from activity B do you do at school? Keep it in your mind. That means at school, what do you do? Okay, we can do this one. Clean the board. Yes. Then sing the national anthem. Yes, we do this. And put on your uniform. No. Write on the board. Okay. Dear learners, look here. These are the 3 activities we do at our school or in our school. This one, clean the board, then sing the national anthem. During our national assembly, we sing the national anthem. Okay, look here now. Write on the board. These 3 activities we do at our school. Now look, which do you do at home? At home. Okay, this take a shower. Yes, we take shower at home. Now get out of bed. Yes, this one is. Now put on your uniform. These 3 activities. Okay, look here. I am telling again. That means these 3 activities we do at home. Number 1, take a shower. Number 2, get out of bed. Yes. And number 3, put on your uniform. These are the 3 activities we do at home. Dear students, today we have learned and practiced unit 3 and unit 2 and 9. I am telling again, today we have practiced unit 2 and 9, and keep practicing this text as you have got the board book from our school. Please keep practicing unit 2 and 9 at home and abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.